Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, dear viewers. In front of me, EPSON ET-1810 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to check status of your printer, how to check the real name of your printer, how to check your MAC address and other different interesting information about your device. So basically, firstly we should open embedded web server. So we can open it using mobile device, otherwise it's better to use just normal web browser on the PC. So just enter your IP address of your printer and open embedded web server, so EPSON admin panel, or of course, if you don't know how to do that, how to open this web page. So basically you can just press and hold this button. It will print the network configuration page, and on the first page you will see IPv4 block here. It will print three pages, but you need only the first one, and here you will see your IP address. Okay, so enter this IP address just in the search bar of your web browser, not in the Google bar, but in the search bar, and you will open the same page as I have in front of me. Cool. Go back to the browser, right? So here we have, as you can see, this project status page. So just click on this button, and here you can find your index levels, your network information. So here is your real name of your printer. You can find signal strength, obtain IP address, so all information about your device. You can find even IP address, your Wi-Fi direct status, and some advanced features. So hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you.